नमस्कार दोस्तों, today we will discuss about coordination number in solid state chemistry. Here, how to calculate the nearest neighboring atoms we are discussing. So you know that number of nearest neighboring atoms is also called coordination number. Assume that here one atom is there and around of that one more atomic sphere is there, so we can call it as a first nearest atom. Even second nearest atom sphere is also be there, second nearest atom, and third is also be there, but we have concern about only which is nearest, then we can call it as a coordination number. So main thing is which is nearer to this atom, that is called first nearest atom. As per that we can decide the coordination number. To decide the coordination number, we have to follow some techniques here. It will be very easy for us to determine the coordination number by the using of these techniques. So here you need to assume yourself that you are in a one room, and left side of you one room will be, and forward to you one room also be there, at the corner also one room is there, and right side of you no room, and back of you also no room, and understand that bottom of you or down of you also no room is exist. See, you are standing here, in front of you one room, and left side one room, corner is one room, right side no, back no, and down also no. Same like that, same like this, only above of you again 4 rooms you have to consider. 4 rooms you have to consider. If you imagine you are there in a room, down no room, right and left are no rooms are there. Here we can calculate very easily. Assume that you are there here, then whatever this lattice point is there, or you can consider that as an atom. This is the atom, so which can share among the 8 rooms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Due to this reason, we can call it as a 1/8 distribution, this particular lattice point. And another thing is, this particular lattice point also you can consider. This particular lattice point, you place this here on this, then what you will get? You will get here 1/4. So this particular lattice point 1 2, and here the 3 4. So 4 rooms are sharing with this lattice point. That's why we can represent that as a 1/4. And this one will be 1/2, you know, and here also 1/4. So here you can see, so this particular lattice point is 1/8, and this one is 1/4. Assume this is the 1/4, because this particular one 1/4, 1 2, and here upon also again 2 rooms, and this one is also 1/4. This one 1/4, 1 2 3 4 1. Okay, and here exactly down of this again this is 1/4 only, because 4 rooms are there down, 1 2 3 4, and here 1/2. Here the down of this one more, here you can understand that as a cube, no? So here this point is 1 2 rooms, here the 2 rooms, and here 1/1. So based on this outline structure, we can understand the coordination number easily. Here you assume here the one atom is there on the space which can share in between the 2 cubes. Here also 2 cubes. Here this is outside right side of the room. I said no already, it is a no room, and down also no room. That's why 1/1. This is sharing inside only, this is also sharing inside only, that's why 1/1. Here we are discussing about the first type of this lattice. One is simple cubic. Here you can see, you need to understand this is an atom. From this to this edge length you can consider that as A, and from this corner to this corner you can consider that as a root 2A, we know, isn't it? And from here to here So next to next nearest this one, because of here you can consider this atom is very nearest because A you are getting. Another one is root 2A, means it is a very bigger than this value. That's why first nearest will be this is only with respect to of this. First nearest is this is only with respect to of this. That's why this you consider this is a first nearest sphere. Okay, now here first nearest we are calculating. So this is the 1 by 8th which is sharing we know, and this is the A, this is the 1 by 4th we know because we are there here in a row. So here this is also 1 by 4th, and down also 1 by 4th, means this side is also A and this side also A and this side also A. So how many atoms are surrounding to this particular corner one, or with respect to of this 3 atoms are surrounding, 1 2 3. In 3 sides edge length A only you will get. So here the 3 atoms are in contact, and here this particular atom sharing with the 8 rooms we discussed earlier. So here the 8 rooms are sharing. So in a unit cell 8 into 3 into 1 by 4th, 3 into 1 by 4th, because of 8 rooms are sharing this one, that's why 8. And these 3 atoms are there, 3 atoms are there. Each contribution should be towards the unit cell is 1 by 4th. Then overall what you will get here, the 8 3 is 24, 4, then coordination number is 6. Coordination number is 6 for the simple cubic. Simple cubic coordination number is 6. Next one is nearest, next nearest one. Next nearest which one is there here, the root 2A is there, here the root 3A is there. In between these two which is nearest, root 2A is nearest one. So here we have to consider this is the root 2A. Here also one more root 2A, here also one more root 2A, isn't it? See here, this is a root 2A, root 2A, root 2A. And this particular atom is sharing among the 8 unit cells, that's why 8. And this 1, 1, 2, 3 are there, 3. Each contribution should be the 1 by 2 we discussed earlier. So this is the 1 by 2. Then this is the coordination number is 12. Which one? Next nearest one. Next to next nearest. Third nearest. So third nearest, if you consider this is the third nearest, root 3A. Again, apart from this one, any other is there in the unit cell? No, because this already occupied. This is A only, and this particular one is what? Root 2A. We discussed that in the next nearest. So only one atom will be 8 into 1 into 1. Then coordination number is 8. So which is the very nearest to that? 6 is the very nearest to that. That's why here we can consider a simple cubic. For the simple cubic, coordination number is 6. Here you can see coordination number of simple cubic. This is the very nearest, and this is the next nearest, and this is the next to next nearest. And next we are discussing about the BCC structure. BCC. So you know this body centered cubic. So here in a body, in a middle, we are keeping the one atom, because this is the BCC. This is the BCC. Before one we discussed about the simple cubic, that has completed. Next we are discussing about the BCC. In the BCC in a body we have assumed as a one atom. And if you assume this atom, what will happen? Let me see. So with respect to of this is the A we know, and this is also A, and this is also A. And with this it will be the root 2A. This is also root 2A. This is also root 2A. And from here to here we have a root 3A, but till this root 3A by 2, root 3A by 2. So when you decide this as a root 3A by 2, then we have this is the very nearest atom. See here the calculations. This is body centered one, root 3A by 2. Then root 3 value we know 1.73, and here it has A. So 1.73 by 2, 0.86. Another one is what? Root 2A, and another one is A. So if you consider this is a very nearer. Next second one is next nearer, and this is the next to next nearer. So as per this only coordination number is going to be decided for the BCC. For the BCC, here you can see nearest. This is the nearest, which is this is the nearest. So this is sharing among the how many cubic cells. So this is 1, we know that because this is exist at the body. So 1 1, and we know earlier that this particular one is sharing among the 8 unit cells, then 8 into 1 into 1. So one atom is there in one unit cell only, it is sharing, one atom is there, and this particular one is sharing among 8 unit cell, then coordination number is 8. So BCC structure having the coordination number is 8, means which is nearest one. Next we are going for the next nearest. Next nearest means A. However, we were calculated earlier like 8, this is 8 only, and here the 3 atoms are there, and 1 by 4th will be, then it will be the 6. This is the next nearest one. What is this? Next nearest one. And another one is next to next nearest. Next to next nearest means here you can consider this is under root 2a, root 2a, root 2a. So here this is 8va, because this particular one is sharing among the 8 one, and here the 3 are there, and each one here you can consider, or here you can consider, or here you can consider each unit lattice or unit lattice point is sharing among the 2 unit cells. When it is sharing among the 2 unit cells, the contribution will be the 1 by 2. And how many are there here? 1, 2, 3. So that's why here the 3 into 1 by 2, and this atom is sharing among the 8. Then 8 into 3 into 1 by 2. So coordination number is 12. So overall coordination number is near 8, and next nearest is 6, and next to next nearest is 12. Here FCC is there, face centered cubic. Face centered cubic.